It's so pretty today. So I just came out to start my book. We're in the last chapter of the Accord series, this book, and I have got some cherries. This is my lunch. So I am going to read my book. The day is so pretty. I think later when I'm done I will go in a park and just edit my video, read my book, just be happy. Such a good day. Happy Thursday. Yes, so I'm very leisurely on a walk because I am actually today I am going on a mini trip. I mean, not a mini trip. I am going in another city, so I am on a mini walk today, and then I will go back home and have to shower, get ready, and then go head out right away. So good day to y'all. It's supposed to be really great weather today, really hot, but see you next day. Welcome to the European summer. So I did all that what you see on Instagram of Santorini and Amalfi Coast. This is the European summer. So okay, we just had a store and I'm just finding where to get home. Okay, see you then. Bye.
Okay, dance and keep it
So I have been seeing this bag everywhere. This is the Olan bag. I decided to get myself the bag, so I have the bag. Let's do this because I need to go to work like right now. Okay, so I got this in the color green sage. Okay, it's so loud. In the sage color, so let's see how this looks. I didn't want a very bright color because I wanted to be everyday bag. So okay. Wait, I need to stand up for this. Why is it so dark? I mean, it's rainy. Okay, so this is the bag. Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, you can put here your things. Ah, it's very softy. This is, I can also like travel with this actually. Oh, this is very soft as well. Anyways, let me put things in here, and then I'll talk to you. We're good to go. Yeah, wear this like soft. Oh, it's so like soft. And this is not like cutting in me, so this is really good. This is it. Let's go to work with my new bag. Oh, I love how it looks. Oh, I love how it looks. I love it.
I see her face, I want a cigarette. Take me back to the day we met. We made mistakes that I don't regret, and now it's getting hard to recollect. You took my heart, you tore it all to pieces. I thought that I was right, but I wasn't what you needed. And I hate it that I love you, and you hate me, 'cause I love you. And I hate it that I love you, and you hate me, 'cause I love you. And you see my face is just a silhouette.
Hi everyone, good day. It is Thursday. I am wearing my new bag. I am on my way right now to get some plants for my apartment. Last year I got some plants from the same place, so they do like this, like, I don't know, big sales a year. And last time I got a plant which unfortunately died on me. But today I hope to get some really nice cute plants, and yes, hopefully I get some. But I'm loving this bag, it looks really cute. Anyways, let's go get some plants.
Made mistakes that you do regret, and now it's getting hard to recollect. I took your heart, I tore it all to pieces. You thought that I was right, but I wasn't what you needed. And I hate it that I love you, and you hate me, 'cause I love you. And I hate it that I love you, and you hate me, 'cause I love you. And
Okay, whew, I'm done with work. I am on my way home, and today there is the German-Spain match, and I've been at work and we've been watching on the laptop. It's so good. So at the moment it's like 1-1, Spain 1, German 1. Everybody, the city is so quiet, literally everyone is watching football. I've not been following this Europe Championship, but today this is the first game that I've watched. It's the quarterfinals. So good. So I'm gonna go home and watch some more, hear some more. People are watching too. Oh, it's so good. It's like a love-hate relationship. I don't like it when it gets so loud, but I love that everyone is like sitting together and like watching football. Here they're watching as well. Anyways, I'm gonna get home and also watch on my iPad. So happy day. Story of my life at the moment. Oh my god, like nothing. This is like the good and the bad thing of living in old houses. Every time something is not working, so yippee.
Feel the cool air, inhale, exhale. Now I can see my life for the first time in some time, without judgment or expectations or budgets. I know that I'm susceptible to the show, 'cause I'm so close to the glitz and the glow. Yeah, it's hard not to chase the zeros when they're dangled in front of your nose. That's just the way that it goes in the games we play. It's all about the X's and O's. But down here by the water, none of that matters. All of those worries, they float away.
So just to end the day, I feel like today has been a great day. It's been beautiful, it's been sunny, it's been productive on a level. It's been a great day. Still is. I am watching a Japanese show right now, and I'm just putting on a mask to kind of like end the day, you know. And
I'm gonna like read my book for the rest of the evening. Tomorrow is a new day. But thank you so much for chilling and being with me. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you like the vlog, and check out the previous vlogs and the ones coming. And yeah, I'm trying to go back to being consistent. So thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in today. I will see you guys very soon.
Down here by the wall.